In this video I'll teach you how to use the Amazon FBA calculator, because if you're trying to run a business you need to know how much things cost, how much profit you're going to make exactly to the penny. You need to know these things if you're trying to run a business. Let's get straight into it. Just Google Amazon FBA calculator. So this is Amazon's actual calculator. You can choose the country that you're selling in up here. So you need a product, you need an ASIN. If you don't know what an ASIN is, on the Amazon product page, somewhere in the description here, it'll have the ASIN, as we can see here. So we just take the ASIN, paste it in there, and then that'll retrieve the product that we're thinking of selling. Once you've entered the ASIN, you want to fill out the columns underneath here. You have your fulfillment column here on the left and Amazon fulfillment column on the right. The right column is FBA, left column is FBM. So if you're shipping the product yourself, fill out the left column. If you're shipping the product to Amazon and then they take over all the logistics of it, then fill out this. This is FBA column. So the product is selling for $31.93. Enter that in there as the item price. Let's just leave everything blank for now, just keep it simple. But if you knew your shipping price, you'd enter it here. How many inventory are you gonna store? So for example, let's say you had like 7 of these products, these items, then you could put 7 in there, like so you can work out how much storage fee you're gonna pay on that product. Well, let's just keep it at 1 for now. Cost of product, you can source this product for £19.20, which gives me a healthy profit of £5.61. Going back and forward to these tabs is kind of tedious, so the other option is you can get a Chrome extension. If you just Google Amazon FBA calculator Chrome extension, find this one, it's free, add it to your Chrome extensions. What that does is when you're on the Amazon page, you can click the extension. So once it brings up its like working page, you can enter the price that you're going to source the product for. So we said £19.20 for this. What I want to do is I want to compare this number. So this calculator is saying £5.63 is our profit, 17% net margin, and the official calculator £5.63, 17% margin. So it's actually out by 2 pence. So you know, I would say this is accurate. So rather than going to the actual website and type in the ASINs, you can just go on, just have this extension, Chrome extension, which makes things everything easy, because as soon as you load up like a new product, load up the calculator extension again, you know, let's say we can get this for £19.20, you can find out your profit, whatever. The only thing that would be good on this calculator would be if there was a way to, let's say, export all these numbers into a spreadsheet without having to copy them over manually, because you should be tracking, you know, what you're purchasing and stuff like that. So that's it for this video. If there's any questions, leave a comment, or any future videos that you want to see, just leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye.